Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2.6 on Windows 11 or 10 or servers. Then we will install VirtualBox extension pack. First go to VirtualBox official website, it is virtualbox.org. Click on download or download, either is same. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 7.2.6. Okay, for Windows we have to click on this Windows first. So click on it. See, download started, go to downloads. See here, its size is 116 megabytes. Once this installation completes, then we will install this extension pack. Click on the exe file. Click on next. Select this end user license agreement and click on next. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on change and select the path. I am okay with the defaults. Then click on next. It is just warning. Click on S. Then click on S for missing dependencies. Okay. Click on S. If you want add to start menu, keep the checkbox. And if you want to create desktop shortcut, you have to. Okay. If you want on start by default when opening .or .ovf files. Okay. Click on next. Ready to install. Install. See, successfully installed. If you want to start the Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.6, keep the checkbox and click on finish. It is up to you. Then go to all applications. Then go to Oracle folder. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. Now verify the version. Help about VirtualBox. See here we have installed 7.2.6. Close this one. If you want to create virtual machine, click on new. Then provide all these details. Then we have to attach the ISO file. Or go to machine and select new. If you want to open the existing VirtualBox, you have to select this one. Open or go to machine and select open. Okay. Next one is we have to download and install this VirtualBox extension pack. Select this accept and the download. See, download started. Go to downloads. Click on it to open. This will open another VirtualBox manager. Click on install. Select the license agreement. See, if you don't come to here, that will be graded. So come to scroll up to bottom and click on I agree. See, successfully installed. Okay, if you go to extensions, see here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. This is the version. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2.6 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.